invest too. No, do your research. If your mind is telling you that don't do this, then you should be 40 or 50% right. There's a reason why that instinct is there. Hello guys, and welcome back to Dizasolutions. So in today's video, it's not going to be a very long video, but I think it is high time I make this video, and that is exactly the reason why I'm actually sharing this with you, so that you will not fall victim and you will not end up losing all your life savings to one person that is just in his bedroom and trying to scam everyone. All right, so let's get started. As you all know, the topic, how not to ways that you should not fall for scams and how to prevent yourself from all these online investments or business platforms. As far as investing your money online is concerned, this video is for you. So number one thing you need to watch out for when you are investing online is to check out for their founders, those behind the business or the platform or the investment itself, because it doesn't make sense when you are investing your money. Some people invest as much as $1 million and above into platforms that are just basically online, and they don't even know the founder or the owners behind it. They are nowhere to be found. You can't see them physically. They can't even communicate with you. All right, and the only way that you will see them is just their image. In fact, sometimes one of the red flags to notice when you want to invest in any platform is to check out who is the owner of this platform. What are those behind it? Can I check them? You have LinkedIn. Any serious person that wants to put out business out there need to have a LinkedIn profile, or maybe Facebook or Twitter. All right, okay, those are the ones I trust, not even Instagram. Even Facebook can still be manipulated, but Twitter and LinkedIn is still reasonable. All right, and if you can search for this person, it's not like they went to use already made images that is already online, just get one image and put it on their website and saying that this is their founders, this is the person behind finance, this is the person behind marketing, PR. And funny enough, some of these online investments, when you go to their site, you will notice that the images that they use are already images that are available online. They can just use any stock photos out there. So be careful before you invest your money, your hard-earned money. Ensure that you are not investing into the wrong ends, and those that are not visible, they are nowhere to be found. You can't get in touch with their profile. Okay, number two is the fact that communication. If you're investing in anything that doesn't have communication, they don't communicate with you, there's no customer care, there's no avenue for you to interact. Maybe you have one issue or the other, or anything that is affecting you, there's no one to complain to. That is a number two red flags. Do not invest your money. And number three is the fact that always do your due diligence. Make research before investing. Don't say because my brother is investing, my sister is investing, let me invest too. No, do your research. If your mind is telling you that don't do this, then you should be 40 or 50% right. There's a reason why that instinct is there. But it's the fact that never you borrow. Please, never you borrow to do any investments. No matter how rewarding, how profitable, how, I don't know what the word to use now, how good it may sound, please do not borrow to invest. If you still use your personal money, investment is a 50-50. Either you win or you lose. So if you end up using someone else's money to invest in something that you are not sure of, so you now start looking for that person's money, even when you haven't made any profits, or when you haven't gained anything at all. So my brothers and my sisters on this channel, I advise you not to borrow from anybody just to invest in online platforms. And the last but not the least is always risk what you can afford to lose. When I mean risk what you can afford to lose, I mean don't risk when you, for instance, you have 100,000 naira or you have 1 million and you be like, okay, the rate of return is very high, let me invest everything, or let me invest like 80%. No, the ideal way to risk is to risk 10 to 20% of what you have. Never you invest everything that you have, please, I beg you, so that you always fall back to something. All right, so I want you to stay safe out there. Happy new month, happy new month. I welcome you to this new month. My new subscribers, thank you so much, I really appreciate you. And if you're watching this for the very first time, we talk about make money, tech tutorials, and life-changing topics. And we also talk about cryptocurrency here on this channel. You can check out all the other videos that I have here, so just check them out. They are very, very helpful videos. I have free tutorials on cryptocurrency and other tech tutorials. I'll be sharing more is exciting content as we go on. All right, so thank you so much for watching this far. If you got value, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment. I want to hear from you. What have you learned? What are your experiences? Please share them in the comment section. They're going to help people a lot, so you won't end up losing what you have. All right, so thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.